Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open the Cloud Console in the incognito window and wait for some time. Okay, so for task number 1, just copy this bucket's name and now search it here. Click on this first option, buckets. Now click here on create option. And for bucket name, you have to use your Google Cloud project ID. So copy this Google Cloud project ID and paste it here. Now click on continue and from choose where to store your data, select regions and come back to the lab instruction page. Scroll down. Here you will see what region you have to select for your project. So for me it's US Central 1, so I will select US Central 1, whatever for you, select that. Now click on this continue and we have to select default standard for default. So it's already selected. So click on continue. Now uniform. Okay. So it's already selected and uncheck this box. Then click on continue. And we have to leave the rest of data as default. Now click on create. So now for task number 2, open this link from my description and download this image. So click on this download button. Okay. After downloading this, come back to the Cloud Console and wait for some time. It's loading the. Okay, so content is loaded. For task number 2, click on this upload and upload file. Then upload that downloaded picture which you have downloaded from the given link in the description box. So upload that picture. Now, after uploading this picture, you have to ensure that the file name should be kitten.png. After this, click on this permissions. Now scroll down. You have to ensure that this is selected on view by principal. Then click on grant access. Now come back to the lab instructions and from task number 3, select this. From the point number 3, select this all users and paste it here on new principals. Okay. Now for roles, click on this cloud storage, scroll down and select this storage object viewer. Now click on the save and this allow public access. Okay, so we have done with this lab. Now click on check my progress. For each and every task you will get the green tick here. So we have got the green tick on task number 1 and 3 and we have got the green tick also on task number 2. So we have completed with this lab just in the lab from here.